Welcome to this training. In this training, I'm going to share with you three secrets that no one tells you about making money. If you're really struggling to make money, and this I'm going to help you. I'm going to share with you three secrets that will help you make money. Secret number one is it doesn't require brains to make money. All you got to do is think how you can make money. There are different ways to make money, whether it's online or offline. But if you just think what you can do to make money, basically it involves selling a product or a service or something of that kind. So if you're able to think about different ways to make money, you'll be able to figure out a way to make money. Secret number two is to make money, there should be value exchange. Basically, you need to solve problem, and once you solve a problem, you get paid for it. There are a lot of people who want to help. So if you are skilled in any particular skill, you can help them by providing that kind of service, or you can sell them a product that will provide value for them or will help solve their problem. So once you solve their problem, you'll get paid for it. Secret number three is you need to understand supply and demand. There's always demand for certain things. So once you understand there's a demand for certain things, you'll be able to go and pick products and you can supply it to the place where there is a demand. That way you will be able to fulfill a demand. So basically all you have to do is find a need and be able to fulfill it, whether it is finding your own products, creating your own products and fulfilling the demand, or finding other people's products and fulfilling that demand. That way you'll be able to make money. So basically right now, even if you're broke, all you need to do is find a product that is able to fulfill a demand for a particular group of people and deliver the product. In between, sometimes you can take commissions as cash. So the thing that you need to understand is you need to encash on this thing of supply and demand, even if you're not interested in that particular field that you're trying to do. Right now, you're trying to work on solving this problem of avoiding being broke. So keep in mind that you need to be able to fulfill a demand, solve a problem, and once you solve that problem with a product or a service, you'll be able to make money. That's how everything works in this world, whether it is online or offline. So below I'll be providing you a training that shows you 10 different ways to make money. So if you're broke and you're struggling to make money and you're at a job and you want to leave that job, or you have various different reasons that you want to be making money, whether it is to getting out of your parents' home, or that is to travel the world, make money. You see people making money online. Whatever the case that is, I've provided a training that covers 10 different ways to make money. And in that training, I'll show you how you can go out and make money. And I'll also be giving you a bonus strategy that'll cover how you can make up to 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs sooner, and with that money you can actually scale up. So if you're watching this from another country, you'll be able to make close to $3,000 to $5,000 easily with this strategy. Basically, even if you don't have skills, you don't have experience, all you need to do is go register yourself for this training, make the payment, and once you complete the payment, you'll begin access to the training. In that training, I'll cover 10 different ways to make money. And all these 10 different ways doesn't require your experience. It just requires you to go out there, implement what I've shared in the training material, and you'll be able to make money. So just remember these three secret tips. Secret number one, it doesn't require brains to make money. All you need to do is find out a way that will help you make money. So in order to make money, you need to either have to sell a product or a service. So that product or a service actually goes out there and fulfills a demand, or it actually solves a problem for that particular person or the company. And whenever you try to make money, there should be value exchange. You are providing a service or you are providing a product that will actually solve the people's problems, the person whom you're trying to help or the company that you're trying to help. So in exchange for that, you'll get paid for it. And secret number three is you need to understand supply and demand. When there is more demand, you'll be able to find ways to supply and fulfill that demand. So basically, all you need to do is go out there and find a need, and you will be able to fulfill on that demand. So the thing right now is, if you're broke, you need to encash on this skill as quickly as possible. Even if you're not interested in that particular niche or a particular industry, if you find a demand, if you find a need, you should go out there and find products that will actually go fulfill the demand. I'll show you different ways how you can go and make money. So click the button below, enroll in the masterclass, complete the payment, and then I'll show you in the masterclass how you can make money.